Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to download the Slack desktop app to your Windows computer. You can access Slack from your browser, but we recommend downloading the Slack desktop app onto your computer for a couple beneficial reasons. One, when you do this, you can set Slack so it will start as soon as you start your computer. It will minimize and run in the background. Then you don't have to remember to start it up every time you start up your computer or restart your computer. Slack will minimize to your tray, so it allows you to put Slack out of your way, but you won't miss anything important. By using the desktop app, you can set up notifications when someone sends you a message or when a message is posted to a channel. These can either be delivered by the Windows Action Center or have the icon flash when you receive a notification. I'll show you that and how to set that up in another video. The easiest way to download Slack is to simply go to the Slack webpage. This is what you should see, or something very similar for the Slack page. You're going to hover your mouse over product and then go down and pick download Slack. That will open up this new page, and you will see here that it recognizes your operating system, and you're going to click on this button right here, download the 64-bit application. When you do that, you will then notice in the lower left-hand corner it downloading. It's called Slack Setup.exe, and as soon as this blue ring stops blinking, it means it's complete and it's downloaded onto your computer. Go ahead and click on that once. That will start the executable to start the installation of Slack. This will just take anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute to start. You'll see the application starting to install, and this is their logo, their icon. Once that is installed, you will see a pop-up screen like this. So now the application's been installed on your computer, and now you can sign into Slack. When you do that, it will take you to another browser tab, and it will prompt you. We have set it up so that you can use your Google account, your Google login, to sign into Slack. So go ahead and just click on this icon here. It will bring up, and if you have several accounts, it will ask you which account you want to use. You want to use your Girls Inc. account. Select that. And then it will pull up and ask you, well, hey, we notice, and I've already been on it, as you can see, but what channels are available to me? I'm sorry, what workspaces are available to me? So there is our main workspace, the Girls Inc. workspace. So go ahead and select that one. When you do that, it'll put a checkbox and click on Open. And it'll ask if I want to open Slack. I'm going to say yes to that, Open Slack. It takes me back to the desktop application, and it has now opened up our Slack workspace. And now you can see all our different channels. So that's how you install the desktop app. When you don't want to use Slack anymore, you just click on the minimize button, and you will notice now that Slack is down here in my Windows tray. When I receive a notification, and you'll see a little number come up here that somebody has sent you a message or somebody's mentioned something in a channel, it will come up here, which I will show you in another video. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to install Slack.